angles are congruent, then which of the following is true? Corresponding sides are congruent? Yes. Corresponding angles are congruent? Yes. So both A and B. See this, ABC congruent to PQR. So AB will be congruent to PQ, BC will be congruent to QR, AC will be congruent to PR. See here, it's not compulsory that ABC and PQR means AB should be congruent to PQ only. It can happen that P will be here, Q will be here, R will be here. Then also the name can be called as ABC and PQR. It's not compulsory that the sequence in which we call the names A to P, B to Q, C to R, it's not compulsory that they should match. It can be reverse way also. Only the thing is one side should match, all the sides should match to each other and all the angles should match to each other. Right? So in this case A will be congruent to P, B will be congruent to Q and C will be congruent to R. Let's move on to